Hello guys, welcome back to the next tutorial. We have covered 3 locators in previous tutorial. Those are find element by ID, find element by name, and find element by class name. Now in this tutorial we will see how to locate element by tag name, link text, and partial link text. So let's get started. As I already told you, elements are text field, buttons, labels, and so on. And every element has some attributes associated to it. What are attributes? For this, please check previous tutorial, what are locators and how to locate element in Selenium. We'll add link in description box. Now let's see another locator, that is find element by tag name. Let's first see how can we locate element by using tag name. For this, let's write script. In PyCharm, I have created a class named as find element, and here I added the find element as a class name, and I have created a function named as launch site, and inside this function I have initialized the driver. As Chrome browser requires Chrome driver path, so I have stored it in a variable and passed this variable while initializing the driver. Here I have added the Python website URL which I want to open. You can use any URL here. Let's add comment here. Find element by tag name. I have created the class object, and then here I call the function. Let's search element now. Inspect here. Select the text field, and here in DOM, label, input, span, form, all these are called tags. Input is a tag for text field, label is a tag for label text, and so on. We can find all these elements by using these tags. Let's see input tag whether it is unique or not. Remember, we have two prerequisites while selecting the value. First one is find correct GUI element, and the next one is find unique GUI element. So we should keep this in mind while selecting the element. So let's add input tag here. You can see it's showing more than one element, and it means it's not unique. If I add this value in script, driver will find any input tag present on the page, not specifically the one we are looking for. This is why we need to enter the exact one every time so that our driver always finds the correct one. We usually don't have unique tags, so this is not recommended. Let's find tag which is also unique. Form. Let's check this form tag. Seems like it is unique as it's not a tag, it's also a value. Here is only one tag, and it's a part of some value, so it's a unique. So we can use this one. Let's write here element equals to self.driver.find element by tag name. and add form here. This is the tag name. Let's add condition. If element is not none, then print we are able to find element by tag name. Another locator is find element by linked text. So copy this one and paste it here. Let's indent it properly. Okay, so change the comment here. Find element by linked text. Linked text here as well, and remove this value, and we are able to find element by linked text. Let's change it as well. Okay, let's see what is it. Link means anchor tag which takes you somewhere else or some other page. Link is like a hyperlink. Here in DOM, this donate button is a hyperlink which will take you somewhere else. When you click on it, all these section tabs about downloads, documentation, community, all these are hyperlinks. And link text means we locate the element by text which is associated to that link. For example, in community, let's select this one. This is the anchor tag and here is the community text. This is associated to this link. Likewise, download is a text which is associated to this link. Here is the text appearing inside this tag. This is the starting tag and this is the ending tag, and the text which is appearing inside this starting and ending tag is a link text. But seems like it is not unique. Let's check this one, downloads, and see it's giving me 2 by 23, so it's not a unique value, and we need to find the unique value. So let's find some unique value here. We can use this one, start with our beginner's guide. Let's check this one. Copy this text and paste it here, and see it's giving me 1 by 1. It means it's a unique value and we can use it in our code. Here is the starting tag and here is the ending tag, and this text is written between this tag body. So find the text by using link. We will use this text which is linked to this element. So let's copy it and paste it here. Okay, so Next locator is partial length text. Find element by partial length text. Let's see what is it. What do we mean by partial length text? When we say link text, it means complete text of the link, whereas partial link text means we use some part of that text. So in this case, it's a complete text, but we can use any part of it in a partial link text. So let's copy it and let's correct the indent part. Okay, so update the comment here. Find element by partial link text. Update it here as well. Partial link text, and we are able to find element by partial link text. Let's use some part of it. Start with R. Let's check it's unique or not, and see, it's giving me 1 by 1, so it's a unique value. We can use it in a script. So let's run the code. And see, it's working fine. All the 3 statements are printed out here. We are able to find element by tag name, we are able to find element by link text, and we are able to find partial link text. So it's working fine. And there is another way. We are currently using this statement, using all these statements by making a function. But we can, if we don't want to add a function, then how can we use it? So let's copy this one and comment out this code. I have another part here, uncomment it and paste it here. Remove the self here. I didn't create a class here. I have commented it out here, and it's just a function which is named as main, and I'm gonna add all these statements under one function. I'm removing self because there is no class, and all the statements are under one function. And how to run this function? I have added it. If name equals to main, then call this function. Let's run this one. And see, it's working fine. Statements for different tags have been printed out here correctly. So there are 2 ways to use this. One is to just create a function, and another one is to create class and then add a function under this class. You can use any of this. That's about this tutorial. Thanks for running this one and stay tuned for the next one.